In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your video from CapCut to Google Drive using your computer. Whether you're on a Mac or Windows, these steps will guide you seamlessly through the process. First, you'll want to make sure that your edited video is fully prepared for the transfer. So, open CapCut on your desktop or mobile device and ensure that you have exported your video. Typically, it's best to save your project as a regular video file, such as an MP4, directly onto your computer. By doing so, you're making sure that it's ready for a smooth upload to Google Drive. Once you've confirmed that your video file is correctly saved and easily accessible, it's time to move over to Google Drive. Now let's get your video uploaded to Google Drive. For this step, open your preferred web browser and head over to drive.google.com. If you're not automatically logged in, enter your Google credentials to access your Google Drive. You should now be looking at the main interface of your Drive, which is where all your documents and files are stored online. With Google Drive open, locate and click on the New button. You can find this in the upper left-hand corner of the window. Clicking on New will present you with a few options, and from these, you'll select File Upload. This option allows you to choose and upload files from your computer directly to your Drive. Once you have selected File Upload, a file browser will appear, allowing you to navigate your computer's files. Here, you'll want to find that exported video file you saved from CapCut. Once you've located it, click on it to highlight, then proceed by clicking Open. Now, Google Drive will start the process of uploading your video to the cloud. You might see a progress bar somewhere on your screen indicating the status of your upload. Depending on the size of your video and your internet speed, this could take just a few moments or a bit longer, so feel free to grab a coffee while you wait. And once your upload is complete, you may want to consider a bit of organization. Head into your Google Drive to locate your newly uploaded video. You can organize your drive by creating folders, which is particularly helpful if you're working with a lot of files. To do this, just right-click or command-click to create a new folder, then drag and drop your video file into it. Additionally, if sharing your video with others is necessary, you can set the sharing permissions for the file. Simply click on the video file and look for the option to share. You'll be able to control who has view or edit access, providing you flexibility in managing your content. And there you have it. Your CapCut video is now successfully transferred to Google Drive, ready to be shared or stored securely.